how to trade game passes in Blox Fruits. First of all, when you're in Blox Fruits here, you'll want to go to the bottom left hand corner and go to the shop. So go ahead and click on the shop button. Then once you've done that, it will bring up a menu like this in the middle of your screen, where you want to scroll down on the shop until you get to the part where it says Game Passes Permanent. There you can click on any of the game passes you want to gift or trade. Then what you'll need to do is, once you've clicked on the one you want, I'm going to do the 2x drop chance. Then it will come up looking like this, where you can click on gift. You just have to go ahead and click on the gift, and then go ahead and click on the person you want to trade with. So then once you've done that, click on gift, and then that's going to send them, if you have enough Robux, through there, and then they can do similar to you on their end. So that means you can trade in that way and gift as well. So do leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.